Hello and welcome to this short video about the Eco Mode on the 1056 fan from Meaco. Eco Mode is really popular with our customers, and it's a really nice function on the fan. It can be accessed either via the remote control or via the control panel directly. So at the moment we're on fan speed 1. If I press the Eco Mode button, we don't see fan speed anymore. We just see the room temperature, which in this case is 21 degrees C. I heard the fan just increase because it now would have gone to fan speed 2 automatically, which in Eco Mode is the slowest fan speed that it uses. What's going to happen now is as the temperature gradually goes up within the room, so will the fan speed. And when we get up to around about 29 degrees centigrade, by that time we'll be on fan speed 8. Then as the temperature creeps up and goes above 30 degrees centigrade, the fan speed will keep on increasing until its maximum of fan speed 12. Then, if the room starts to cool back down, the fan speed will automatically come back down as well. So the fan speed will respond as the room warms up, the fan speeds will increase. As the room cools down, the fan speeds will decrease. It's a really nice little feature and takes a lot of the thinking out of getting the optimum performance out of the fan. And if at any time you want to turn Eco Mode off, you can do so either via the remote control or directly on the control panel, and then you're just back into normal manually selected fan speed operation. I hope that helps. Thank you for choosing a MeacoFan. Thanks for your interest. If you wanted to hear from us, then please leave a comment below or reach out to us via meaco.com. Thank you very much. Goodbye.